Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today is the last day that I get to be in my contacts before I have to go into my glasses for 2 weeks before my PRK. And then after my PRK, I cannot wear makeup for at least a week. So my videos might be a little sporadic here and there, so I apologize for that, but I am super excited and nervous to get my eyes fixed. Speaking of eyes, I have a little bit of something in my transition and crease, nothing crazy, and now I need something on my lids. So I'm trying a new product by J.Cat Beauty. Whoop, it all just fell apart. It is the Vanity Goddess Chromatic Pigment Kit. So it comes in a bag like this. You get a small silicone applicator and 3 pigments. This retails for $18, and there are 2 sets. You can get one that has red, blue, and gold, but I went for the neutral kit, which sort of has like a copper, silver, and kind of like light gold. I'm not sure what you want to call that color, but let me open this up. So I'm just going to start with the applicator because that is the least exciting. I don't even know if this will be useful. But yeah, it's just a silicone applicator to put on the pigment. And then I'm taking the pigment out of their boxes. Okay, so there are the 3 pigments, and I will swatch them. The first shade, which is this silvery shade, is Divinity. I'm just going to pick up some on the back of my finger. Super pretty, and when you like blend it out, it gets even more pretty. And then this coppery shade, Genuine Bright, or Genuine Bright, however you pronounce it. That one's pretty. Wow, that is super shimmery. The payoff is really intense with that one. And then last, this, I guess, champagne-y color, Hype Exposure. It's kind of like a little gold in there. I really want to go with this first shade, Divinity, but I feel like I should use a pigment that you can actually see. So I will go with the last shade I did, the gold shade. Where is the name? Hype Exposure. So this guy right here. Let me just wipe this off my hand. So I've never dealt with pigments like this before, so for some reason I thought they were going to be a little more set in something, but this is just like, it's like powder. So I'm not quite sure how to prep my eyelids for this, if I just throw it on, or if I put on a glitter primer. The instructions on Ulta.com just say to prime your eyes with one of J.Cat Beauty's All About That Base Eye Primer. So that's not telling me too much. And according to the J.Cat Beauty website, it is saying natural heat from your fingertip, melt and soften the pigment. Use your fingertip to blend. But then it's giving me a silicone applicator. A review says best to try it with the glitter primer, so that is what I'm going to do. I will start out with the silicone applicator just to see what it looks like, and if I don't like it, then I will just switch to my finger. So I'm going to do one eye at a time. Just put a tiny bit of the NYX glitter primer on my finger and blend it into my eyelid. And then just using the silicone applicator, I'm just picking up a bit from the cap here. And I'm just going to tap it on my face. Not my face, my eyelid. Wow, this is super pigmented, that is for sure. Okay, I feel like I want to use my finger just to sort of tap it in to make sure it's all set in there. I'm sure, as to be expected, I have a ton of fallout on my cheeks, but holy guacamole, that is super pretty and pigmented. Let's see if this comes off. A little bit. And you know what? Because I really want to try this first shade Divinity, I'm just going to put that on my other eye. Priming. And I'm just going to use my finger. I'm not even going to use the silicone applicator. That's really pretty, and that was just one dab of what was on my finger. I'm going to go back in with a little bit more. Wipe away that fallout. Okay, let me put on mascara, clean up my mess here because there's definitely some fallout and pigmentation on my desk, and I will be right back. Alright, so I feel like this would look really pretty with a nice wing eyeliner, but that is not happening today. I am not about that today. I feel crazy having two different colors on two different eyes. But these are super, super pretty. So the pigmentation is insane. It's definitely a big payoff there. But the downfall is that it is messy. So these are not something that I will be using every day. It's not something I would use every day. This is something that I would use for like special occasions when I want a really big pop of color. All the pigmentations, all three of them, were really awesome. This silicone applicator, you don't really need it. It's not exciting, but it does come with the kit of 3. But $18 for 3 pigments and a silicone applicator is not too bad. So if you are looking for some pigmentation that you can deal with the mess, I give these guys a thumbs up. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.